Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Amazfit GTS 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your phone. To unpair this watch we need to open the Zep app on our phone. In the app we need to tap on Profile. Here select our Amazfit GTS 2 from the list of devices. Scroll down, select Unpair, then tap Unpair and tap Unpair yet again. The watch will disappear from the list of devices in our app and it will also reset itself to the factory default settings. And that's how you unpair your watch from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.